Hello everyone, today I will show you how you can archive card in Trello board. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So let's say you want to archive one of these cards, right? What you want to do is you want to right click on this and then hit archive. So basically what archive does is that it only remove the card from the Trello board, but it is still in the memory. So if you want to actually delete a card, you have to click on archive item, and then let's say these are the item that you already archived. You can always restore it or you can delete it. Let's say I want to delete it. I can click here and say I click delete. If I want to restore it, I can always click restore and it will show me the card in the original list. So archive is basically just removing the card from the board. It doesn't actually delete the card. So if you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.